Good morning. I don't feel amazing this morning because I was pretty congested when I woke up, and it took a while to get it clear. We only have 2 left. But it's just like kind of like a COVID test, but it has medicine on it. You just put it up your nose. And then I think I'm gonna go take a shower with one of the shower steamers that I have to just kind of like really open up my sinuses. Okay, we got some Christmas money so we can go grocery shopping. So we're gonna go to Sam's Club and get some things so that we can start cooking and doing more shit rather than just heating shit up in the microwave, because I'm bad at that. But we're trying to get better. So this is the outfit of the day. I have my Lainey jersey merch. You want to get the back? And then I'll probably do black sunglasses from Target. Oh, I don't have my Evil Eye on right now, so let me grab that as well. That's from Etsy. And then I got this Playboy skirt at PacSun, and I'll be wearing my Crocs. Apparently they have fresh squeezed orange juice at Sam's Club, so we're getting a sample. It tastes like the visitor center at the border in Florida. We just got out of the Sam's Club and they didn't check our receipt. That was like the first time that ever happened to me, and Dalton was like, that happens to me all the time. And I was like, do I look like a criminal? I realized my tattoos are covered today. Luna in any box she can find. Huh, my baby? I think it's a little small. I made another grilled cheese. We are baking our potato. Okay, I got a big potato because we're just gonna bake one and share it. I'm gonna scrub the shit out of it first. Alright, potato is clean. We're just drying her off a bit. Much better. And grab a little bit of tin foil. Oh. I literally was just about to say we might be almost out, and look. Okay, beautiful. So we need more tin foil. You heard me? Okay, good. I don't know what I could do with this, but I always feel like I can DIY with everything. So it's like I'm a hoarder, but like not in the full sense. It's like I see the treasure in the trash. Now I'm just oiling up my hands because I don't want to put too much oil on. That's just olive oil, by the way. I don't like it super oily, so I'm just giving it a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash my hands again. Ooh, should I put the garlic salt? No? Okay, next time. I think that's plenty. I don't need a ton of salt either. All over. Salt it after. There will be salted butter on it. Okay, maybe it's not enough. I feel like I've been over salting shit lately, or maybe just the pink Himalayan salt has more saltiness than regular salt. I don't know. I just feel like it's saltier lately. Just a quick rinse. And then we wrap this bitch up. Oh, girl, you forgot the most important step. How did I almost fucking forget that? I almost forgot to poke it. I think it's because I'm recording, like, I'm just not thinking straight. I'm not really sure, but I meant to poke this before I fucking oiled it and seasoned it, but whatever. Always poke the potatoes. We don't want explosives, or we're just trying to have a yummy potato. Fun fact, I didn't used to like potatoes all that much. I only liked them fried. I think I've found the ways to make them in which I like them. However, they're not super great for you, so I don't know that that's a win. Because everything else I eat is not great for you, so yeah. Just wrap that sucker tight. And then wait for the oven to finish preheating and set it in for an hour. Woo-hoo! Okay, we've made a lot of progress on this room. We just hung this, and there's obviously still a lot of shit that has got to get dealt with, but damn, this looks so much fucking better. And I'm really excited because obviously Santa can't come through our chimney because it's taped up. And also, like, we don't want Luna getting into the shit before we wake up that Santa has brought. So we're gonna have a little sleepover in the living room. This is the bedroom of the apartment, but we call it the living room because we use the living room as our bedroom. We prefer that. It just feels better that way. We like a cozy living room and a more grandiose bedroom. We don't really have people over, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, I feel really good about where we're at. Dalton's done a lot. It's like he does the physical labor, I do the mental labor. So like I help him organize things and like put things in the right place so that everything has its space and we can find it easily, because we're like, oh, this is like these things, so it's probably in that area, you know. So, and then he does the lifting. So yeah, looking good. And then also we have one tiny ass closet. Here's our closet. Tiny. And so that's like all my clothes too. So we've got belts here, we've got hats here, we've got bags here. These aren't all the bags, but and then we've got our ears here as well. So we're just kind of using all of that wall space as storage. And also, as a person with ADHD, that's a dream to me, because then I know where everything is. I never lose it because that is a big problem. I can always find other people's shit, no problem. I can remember where other people's shit is all the time. If I lose something, it's gone. Gone forever. So that's why everything goes on the walls. Dalton's grilling up the steaks out on the balcony, and the baked potato is almost done. All right, I've got our potato dressed. I'm waiting. I didn't crisp up the bacon bits this time, so I didn't put any on my side. And I'm waiting for the cheese to melt just a little bit before I put my sour cream on my side, but Dalton doesn't like sour cream. And then we'll have our steak and potatoes. Hi, my sweet girl. Alright, it's 8:31 p.m., but a bitch is tired. I'm gonna take this cling wrap off, but keep it to the side here. Easy. We have our dough. She looks incredible. Incredible. Excuse me, my baby. I have to get the cheese and the bacon bits so I can make us some breakfast for the morning time. Y'all know the drill. Ooh, girl. Okay. Now they're not dry, so that's really nice. A little bit stretchier. I like that. Okay. I always forget to open the bags before I get started, so it'd be like that sometimes. Okay, well, my phone keeps conveniently running out of storage. It's really fun and fresh. But I just did that posture yoga and holy shit. Goddamn, I feel rough. So I'm gonna take a bath with some Epsom salt because I totally forgot we had some. It's just at the top of my thing, so I forgot it was there. But yeah, I'm gonna take a bath and just chill for a bit. And yeah, I need to still do my journaling and reading if I really want to read. Either that or I could do my brain game. I think I might do a brain game in the bath. We'll see. Okay, I also let the rolls sit out a little longer after I folded them, and they do look like they have risen a little bit more. So now I'm going to put them in the fridge overnight, and then we're going to bake them in the morning. just finished my skincare and now I'm feeling so sleepy. So I'm just gonna quickly get the editing done, and while everything's uploading, I'll do my journal as well as potentially read. If I do, I need to take out my contacts. If I'm being so honest, I've been trying to save money by just using my dailies, reusing them for a long time. I don't even want to say how long because I genuinely don't even know. But anyway, so I'm gonna go to sleep after I get this edited, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be the last day again that I post for Vlogmas before the 26th. Again, I'll be taking a break for the 24th and 25th and I highly encourage you to do the same. I'm literally going to be completely offline, unplugged. We are going to unplug the internet and turn off our data and just be in the peacefulness. I'm actually kind of excited. So we'll see you for tomorrow, the last day before a quick break, and then you'll get those last vlogs on the 26th and the 27th.